Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can go to our channel and watch the videos from there. So in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about Google Ads enhanced conversion. So let's go to the official documentation of Google and learn more about enhanced conversion. Okay, so enhanced conversion is a feature that can improve the accuracy of your conversion measurement and unlock more powerful bidding. It supplements your existing conversion tags by sending hashed first-party conversion data from your website to Google in a privacy-safe way. The feature uses a secure one-way hashing algorithm called SHA-256 on your first-party customer data, such as an email address. So let's see how it works. When a customer completes a conversion on your website, you may receive first-party customer data such as an email address, name, home address, or phone number. This data can be captured in your conversion tracking tags, hashed, sent to Google in its hashed form, and then used to enhance your conversion measurement. Depending on which type of enhanced conversion you use, the hash data will be used in different ways to improve your measurement. So we can see, we can set up enhanced conversion for web and enhanced conversion for leads. So these kind of things are pretty much similar. Okay, so we can read it. Relevant for advertiser who want to track sales and events that happens on a website. For lead, relevant for advertiser who want to track sales that happens off your website, for example phone or email from your from website leads. So for web, improve measurement of online conversion, and for leads, improve measurement of offline transaction that came from a website lead or visitor. Allows you to send hashed first party user provide data from your website when a user converts. The data is then used to match your customers to Google accounts, which were signed in to when they engaged with your with one of your ads. For leads, we can see allows you to use hashed first-party user provided data from your website lead forms for offline lead measurement. When you upload your leads, the provided hash information is used to attribute back to the Google Ads campaign. So we can see, we can set up enhanced conversion in multiple ways. Like we have Google Tag Manager options, we have the Google Tag options, and last we have Google Ads API option. So I will basically use Google Tag Manager option in this video. So I will share this doc link with you so that you can study further. Okay. So I will share it in the video description. Okay. So let's see it practically that how we can implement Google Ads enhanced conversion practically. Okay. So we need to have a Google Tag Manager account, as I have already shown how to track conversion for e-commerce. Okay, Google Ads conversion for e-commerce. So I have a detailed video on it because I will show Google Ads enhanced conversion for e-commerce site, because most of the e-commerce site you can see when the user make purchases, they give their personal or customer information like phone number, email address, first name, last name. So I will basically show you the enhanced conversion for purchase tag. Okay, so we need to go to the Google Ads conversion section. Okay, so I will select this option like purchase Google Ads conversion, and I will click this option enhance conversion. Make sure you have checked this check mark. Okay, I will select this first option, Google Tag or Google Tag Manager, as I will be using Google Tag Manager option. So they are wanting a website URL. I will use this website. Okay, I will click on check URL. They will check whether the Google tag is installed for this website or not. So yeah, I have installed Google Tag Manager on this website, so we are good to go. No. Okay. So I will click on a preview mode. Okay, one thing I need to tell you, like as I am using WordPress website, so you need to go to the backend panel of your option. Like you need to write your website URL, then /wp-admin. Okay, then you need to go to the settings option, and you need to go to the Google Tag Manager option. I have shown it in my Google Ads for e-commerce tracking video. So I would suggest you to go to my channel and watch this video first. Okay. So you need to go to the integration option, and from integration WooCommerce, and make sure order data in data layer is enabled. Okay, mine is enabled. So make sure your is enabled as well. Okay, so yeah, we were ready to go. So now I will click on preview mode, and I will make a test purchase so that I can get some customer info from the data layer, and by reading data layer, by using data layer, I can make some data layer variable for using enhanced conversion. Okay, so I'll click continue. I'll select this product. I'll edit it to cart, view the cart. I'll check it out. You need to give the billing details here. Okay, I have already given it. That's why it is showing by default. So I will click on place order. So the delivery, we can see, thank you, your order has been received. Okay, then I will go to the tag manager option. So we can see Google Ads purchase tag is firing. I'll go to the purchase event, and I'll go to the, so we can see Google Ads purchase tag. I'll go to the data layer option. So you need to have a basic concepts of how to read data layer. Okay, so hopefully you have that much concept. If you don't have, you can see some YouTube videos on research on Google how to read data layer. Okay, so what I will basically do, I can see in the order data section we have customer, and inside customer we have billings, and we have first name, last name, company address, so city, state, all this stuff. So we'll use those information and make some data layer variable. Okay, so yeah, we'll go to the variable section in our Google Tag Manager. We'll make some variable, data layer variable. Okay, I will click on new. I will name it as customer first name. I'll click data layer variable. Then I'll go to this option. Like I'll copy this order data. So as this is an object, okay, so I need to put dot after the order data. Okay, so inside order data we have customer. Customer is also an object. Okay, so I'll click order data dot customer dot billing, and billing is also an object. So I'll put dot, then I'll take first name. Okay, so yeah, so we can see what we have taken from here, like order data dot customer dot billing dot first name. So you can see order data dot customer dot billing dot first name. I'll click on save. So I have to create multiple variables. Okay, so I'll click it for last name, customer last name, data layer variable, and the procedure is same. Okay, I'll copy the order data dot customer dot billings dot. So I'll copy it because the procedure is pretty much same for all of this option. I'll click on last name. Okay, I'll click on save. So I will click for the address for now. Okay, I'll click write customer address, click new data layer variable. I'll paste the. Okay, sorry, I have copied this option actually. No issue. I have to copy it again. Order data. Customer dot billing so I am copying it and keeping it here on translate so that I can copy it easily. Sorry. Yeah. Billings dot this one is for address. Okay, so I can take the address one. I'll put dot address. Okay, and the next option is city. Okay, you click on new, name it as customer city. Click on data layer variable. You copy this, paste it here, put a dot, and copy the city from here. Okay. Similarly, I can take state. Okay. I'll click on new, customer state. I'll click on data layer variable. I'll copy this because this is pretty much same for all the variables. And I need to put state. I need to take a state actually here. Okay, I'll click on save. Then I will create a variable for postcode. Okay. Click new, customer postcode. Click new, data layer variable. I'll copy it from here and paste it, put a dot after it, and copy this postcode from here and paste it here. Okay, I'll click on save, and then we'll take country. Okay, I'll click on new, customer country. I'll click on new, data layer variable. Okay, I'm copying it from here and put dot, then country. Okay. And click on save. I'll create for email now. Okay. So customer email. Customer email. I'll click on data layer variable. I'll copy it, paste it here, dot email. Okay. Save. I'll click on new, and the phone number is last. Okay. So I'll write customer phone number, click on create. data layer variable, copy it, paste it here, the dot, and use this phone. Okay, so we are done with making data layer variable. Okay, so we'll use it in our Google Ads parses tag. Okay, so I'll click on Google Ads parses tag. I'll click on, so you have to click on this check mark, like include user provided data from your website, and select user defined variable. You will need to create new variable here, name it as customer, or you can name it as enhanced conversion data. Okay, I will click on this option, user provided data. So we can see we have the option to select email, phone number, name and address, okay, street, city, region, country. So that's why you have made data layer variable first. Now we will just select those variable. Okay, like I'm selecting customer email in the email section, and phone number I will select customer phone. There is the option, yeah, customer phone number. So I'll select on first name, surname means last name, street means address, city we can select from here, customer city, region you can select as, we didn't have region, so we can select it as city. Okay, and country for customer country, postcode, and we can use postcode from here. Okay, so we are ready to go. We'll click on save option. So I'll click on save as well. I'll submit this, publish it, click continue. So I need to test it here. I'll click on a preview mode for testing. Let's wait a little bit. So let's make a purchase and see whether everything is working fine or not. Okay. So I'll click on add to cart, view cart. I'll click on checkout. All the information has been showing here. I'll click on place order. So order has been received. Now we need to go to the purchase option. Okay, so we can see Google Ads purchase tag is firing. So if we click on purchase, and if we go to our variables, then we can see our customer address, customer city, customer country, customer email, customer name, customer first name, last name, phone number, postcodes, state, and we can see that we have created enhanced conversion data and it is showing perfectly. Okay, so yeah, so all of them are working fine. So hopefully you have a clear understanding on it. So yeah, that's it for this video. You have a good day. Bye bye.